What's up, y'all? On this beautiful quarantine Saturday, it is. This is day number 4. So I finally got the speaker and frame rewrapped. You can see that in the background right there. Oh, right there. Everything came out cool. My wife helped me do it. And I also came up on some door panels that you can see here and here while I was in Vegas. And the only difference was 2 of them were slightly different. That one has a hole in it for a speaker. I think it's a 3.5. That one does not. So what I'm gonna do is cut a hole in both of them about right there to match and put 6.5s in them. The suede material that you see in the background is for my steering wheel, as you can see right here. And the other part is right here. I'm gonna wrap it in the carbon fiber and fleece material that I have up there. I'm just having fun. Shit, we in quarantine, so I might as well spend my time doing something productive. Oh, and I came up with some Charger Daytona seats. Had to be out of a 08, 09, I believe it is. Charger Daytona with the black leather and black suede, which is why I got the suede material right there, just to match it up. I'm just having fun. And that's it for now. Everything else is just as simple as basically getting everything started. Only thing holding me back now is procrastination. I got homework to do, but shit, that's gonna have to wait because I'm about to knock this out. So I don't know if you noticed right here, this little foam material, I kind of messed it up pulling off the old leather. So I'm gonna scrape that all out. And I got some of that Gorilla Glue adhesive, which I heard is way better than the Loctite. So that's what I'm gonna use on both of these. Strip those out. Oh, and I knew I was gonna have an issue with this. So this part is in the car. But so for the door switch, it's only 2 wires. So I could either do 2 things. Either integrate it, meaning splice the old one and run the wires to this one, or cut a hole in this to fit the old switch and color it, or plastic, what do you call it? Not plastic dip, hydro dip. Sorry for the cartoon in the background, my son doing his thing. And I ain't trying to hit on that. Yeah, they're pretty dirty, but I'm taking my time. Like I said, all I got is time now. I'm gonna be in the house for the next few weeks. Hopefully, I can get it all knocked out. That's the goal, to get it all knocked out. Door panels, seats, hood, and bumper. Yeah, my wife ran into my car and cracked my damn bumper, so I had to fix that. So, yeah, everything coming out good. All right, y'all.